How to make your own original sound on TikTok. So if you want to make your own original sound, then first open up your TikTok application, and after opening, now you can go for the plus icon which is on the bottom middle, and then you can choose 15 seconds, 60 seconds, or any timing. And now you can simply tap on upload, which is on the bottom right, and then you have to choose a video that you would like to upload. So for example, I'll be choosing this video, and after choosing that, you can simply tap on next, which is on the bottom right. And now I'll be choosing this and now I'll be posting this to only me, because I don't want anyone to view that. So for that, you can go for the option which says everyone can view this post. You can simply tap on that, and then you can choose only you, and then you can post, which is on the bottom right, and tap on post video. And after uploading, now you can go to your profile, which is on the bottom right, and here you can go for the lock icon, which has the private videos, and here you will have all of your private videos, right? So now you can go for the bottom right, which has that disc option. You can simply tap on that, and here you will have this original sound, right? So you can simply tap on use this sound, and then you can record anything with that sound. So that's it. That's how you add a sound. So you can also tap on the pencil shaped icon, and then you can give your sound title. For example, I'll be just writing title 1, and you can tap on save, and you can load that, and here you will have your sound name, right? So that's it. That's how you add some sounds or add some original sounds on your TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.